Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Hi there, my lovely Leo. On Monday, if you want your love life to change from its current boring and predictable status into a lively and passionate affair, then you had better look to yourself to do something about it. The current astral environment means that you will have to take action and either initiate a conversation or make a few wise choices in order to get the relationship of your dreams. Be bold. This is a great day to begin targeting what you can and can't see yourself doing at this stage in your life. Try selecting the habits that you want to abide by and writing down the benefits they give to you. For example, flossing and brushing twice a day. Good oral hygiene preserves teeth, prevents gum disease, and eliminates bad breath. There is power in knowing what you want and what you will lose if you don't give yourself what you want. On Tuesday, having all the facts about a current love life situation is a good thing, especially now that the covetous moon mingles with Venus, your ruling planet, in your ninth house of big ideas. Exploring your romantic brainstorms can bring you inspiration for an almost foolproof plan of action. It's time to remind yourself of the power of your inner fortitude and trust in your own actions rather than continue to doubt your ability to be the master of your romantic domain. The vibe you're able to bring to a relationship will have a sweet effect on someone you're involved with at this time. That fact alone should make you feel good right now. On Wednesday, making your desires known to someone who is in a position to help you fulfill them can be an important step in your love life at this moment. Your acute intuition has always worked for you, but today it's more powerful than ever. There won't be any mystery in your heart about what you want, but just because you have psychic inclinations doesn't mean that the person you're involved with has them too. Asking for what you desire is important in any relationship, so don't think you can skip this crucial step right now. Communication is the key to sexy fulfillment. The balancing acts our body perform daily takes place in the kidneys, where the blood is cleansed of impurities. To learn about these and other nutritious substances, begin to eat healthy and begin to frequent the more conscious produce markets in your area. On Thursday, if you're feeling the unmistakable warmth of someone's romantic attention at this time, you're not imagining it. You possess the ability to make most people feel comfortable in your presence, and your authentic charm often acts as a love magnet. What begins as an interesting conversation with a friend could end up feeling like a flirtation today. Can there be more to a friendly collaboration than meets the eye right now? Stick around and find out. Don't worry about the minute details of what such a romance would bring. Give yourself permission to simply explore this feeling and look at the big picture of love's message to you. The body's need to eliminate waste is a need you are most probably aware of. When something is over or done, you usually want to move on. The two most important dietary measures to take to aid in waste elimination are drinking plenty of water and eating roughage. Big leafy green vegetables are wonderfully nutritious produce. There are also crisp apple varieties and dried fruits that are beneficial. Pay attention to how your body eliminates waste for information on what you need to eat. On Friday, the current aspect at play could indicate that a new relationship is about to come roaring in your life just when you least expected it. If you have been pursuing a lot of romantic options, then you may not know what has hit you until you are already smitten. You have probably been wishing for this on some level or another, so be glad when it happens. Think of exploring the terrain of healthy living as you would a foreign country. No matter what level you begin at, you will have new things to discover. Right now, you are especially open to the new. If you've always wanted to know the benefits of herbs and spices, a great way to start is with your nose in the bins at your local organic grocery store. Take a little time investigating names that look familiar and smells that completely surprise you. On Saturday, you may find the pace a little too demanding in terms of your love life, especially with the current celestial energy. If you had been hoping for a quiet evening in with that someone special, then you could be in for quite a surprise. They certainly have other ideas, which could mean a very demanding schedule. If you can't cope, you'll need a very good excuse. There's a lot on your plate today, but you have the ability to focus on more than one thing at a time, and this will help you get your work done faster. You'd so much rather concentrate on current matters of the heart, so you will have to be quite productive in the early hours of the day if there's any chance of engaging in some romantic fun later on. If you're in the position to do something active with a sweetheart tonight, make it happen, even if you have to do a virtual version over a video chat. It's an option. If you haven't danced in a while, this could be the night to change that. Dance to the point of breathlessness, it'll be invigorating. On Sunday, you may want to purchase some sort of book to increase your knowledge on health and nutrition. It's a wise person who knows the basic herbal and holistic practices that work for them as an individual. While you're looking at various books or talking to a knowledgeable friend, you may want to take an investigative peek at vegetarianism. It's a big subject, so just have a peek if it's new to you. The current astral energy makes you virtually invincible, which means you could be spoilt for choice in terms of suitable partners. It seems as though no matter what you do, say, or wear, you won't be able to put a wrong foot. People will find you rapturously attractive and will want to swarm around you to see if your charisma will rub off on them. Lucky you!
Money and career.
On Monday, you will try to make new partnerships. Mars is triggering the partnership sector, and that indicates a lot of focus in that area. This indicates new developments in partnership deals. This is also a time to travel for the purpose of a career. PR professionals and lawyers will have important projects in hand. Projects from foreign locations are also seen. Mercury is in the sector of career and managers. You will have important communications with your partners. New plans for joint ventures also can come up. This is also an important time for writers and publishers as well. On Tuesday, Mars is triggering the sector for your work and colleagues. This is a very sensitive time, and that will be a challenge for you. Those who work for health and nutrition will have some complexities. Banking and accounting professionals also have to be very careful. You may work in a very competitive environment. This is not the time to take risks with new projects. If you get a new opportunity, then you have to be very careful with that. Arguments with colleagues can also come up during this week. There will be some projects from foreign lands as well. Venus will help you to solve the issues in the partnerships. On Wednesday, the sector for your own ventures and creativity will get highly activated. Mars is triggering this house, and that will bring some major events to you regarding your own ventures. Those who work in the arts and entertainment sector will be very active. Those who work in politics and the government also will have important duties. Sports stars and physical trainers also have new projects in hand. You will be busy working for children and youth groups. Networking events can also come up. You will be very impatient during this transit that can bring losses. On Thursday, Venus has turned direct, and that will bring some peace at work. Until last week, you were having a lot of workload, and that was not a pleasant experience. From this week onwards, you will be feeling much easier at work. That will help you to be relaxed too. Most of the workplace situation will be in your favor. However, there will be minor issues. There will be new projects at work. Creative projects can also come up, and that you will be able to give good results. This is also a good time to keep unity with your colleagues. There will be some projects from foreign lands as well. This is also a time for creating new business agreements as well. On Friday, there will be a lot of projects in the communication related sector. Mars is moving through the sector for communications, media and technology during this week. This is a time for work in multitasking, and there will be a lot of projects from communication and media. Those who work as teachers, preachers and counselors will have new work or a busy schedule. There will be a lot of short projects, and that will make you a little weak. On Saturday, Venus is moving through the sector for creativity and its own ventures. You may go for networking events during this phase. Creative projects can also come up. Those who work in the arts and government will try to work on more projects. Mars is impacting your finances and part-time projects during this week. You have a lot of chances to get part-time projects as well. However, there are chances for arguments with your partners. Those who work in engineering and healing will have new projects. Mercury will make you communicate regarding your own ventures. On Sunday, you may try to work with creative projects. This is also time to expose your skills and get work through that. You will go for networking events too. Those who work in the arts and entertainment sector also have new projects. You may join new teams as well. Mercury is also in a slowdown mode, and that will add the hardships at work. There will be a lot of opportunities to prove your skills, but there will be some hurdles too. There will be new beginnings at work as well as hardships. This is a very sensitive week for you who work in politics and other social domains. So they have to be very cheerful. You need to be careful with your speculative ventures. Arguments with teammates can also come up. Job seekers from the entertainment and arts domain may get new opportunities.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.